How to turn off text sound on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. This includes managing banner styles, sounds, badge app icons, and grouping notifications by app or thread. Users can also prioritize notifications through focus modes and VIP lists for emails. On this page, scroll down to find the Messages app and tap on it. You can manage the Messages app notification settings from here. Go to Sounds as shown. You can view all the text sounds available over here. If you want to turn off the text sound, then select None. Following these steps, you can easily turn off text sound on iPhone.